Conditions plus cleanses. Restores curls' natural balance, reduces breakage and improves elasticity. Key ingredients. Keratin, plum seed oil, olive oil. Salon Formula. SoCozy has over 20 years of experience and expertise about kids' hair. No nasty ingredients, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, formaldehyde, synthetic colors or dyes, propylene glycol, gluten, wheat, and nuts. SoCozy is a line of premium, salon-quality line of haircare products designed for kids. SoCozy was created by Salon Owner Cozy Friedman, who wanted a line of kids' haircare products she would be proud to use in her salons. Premium Salon Formulas. SoCozy has over 20 years of experience and expertise about kids' hair. No nasty ingredients, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, formaldehyde, synthetic colors or dyes and propylene glycol. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I was expecting it to be a good product, but it's amazing. We have used sprays before with my daughter, but this one is the best. It works great for detangling, and for allowing us to put her crazy hair into ponytails. We have even used it on our hair for tangles or after washing for conditioning.